car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into the future of automobiles. Today, we're talking about something that's been buzzing in the automotive world, the 2026 Dodge Ram van. While details are still scarce, what we do know is enough to get us hyped. So buckle up, because this could be one of the most exciting vans to hit North America since, well, ever. Let's start with the big news: electrification. Ram has already teased an all-electric ProMaster City for 2026, so it's highly likely the new Dodge Ram van will follow suit. Imagine zero emissions, instant torque, and lower operating costs. For businesses relying on vans for deliveries or services, this could be a total game changer. With more companies going green, having an electric workhorse like the 2026 Ram van isn't just smart, it's essential. Plus, with advancements in battery tech, range anxiety might finally become a thing of the past. But let's not forget, this isn't just any van, it's a Ram. And when you think of Ram, you think of toughness, durability, and functionality. The 2026 model is expected to double down on these traits, making it perfect for commercial use. Expect plenty of cargo room, customizable interiors, and features designed to make life easier for business owners. Whether you're hauling equipment, transporting goods, or setting up mobile offices, the 2026 Ram van promises to deliver. Now here's where things get interesting. There's speculation that the 2026 Ram van could take inspiration from the Fiat E-Scudo, a popular European electric van known for its efficiency and compact design. If true, we could see a blend of Euro-style practicality with good old American muscle. Just picture it, a van that's nimble enough for tight urban spaces, but tough enough to handle long hauls. It's like getting the best of both worlds. So when can you get your hands on this beast? Production is rumored to kick off in late 2025, with the official launch happening sometime in the 2026 model year. That means we're less than 2 years away from seeing this van on roads across North America. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, keep an eye on the official Ram Trucks website for updates. You can also check out trusted automotive news sites or chat with your local dealership. They'll have the inside scoop once more info drops. The 2026 Dodge Ram van could very well redefine what we expect from commercial vehicles. With electrification, unmatched functionality, and a potential fusion of global design influences, this van is shaping up to be a true powerhouse. So whether you're a small business owner, a fleet manager, or just someone who loves cool cars, this is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching, everyone! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, if you've got thoughts on the 2026 Ram van, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.